Hey guys, and welcome back to do some shopping. Yes, I'm going shopping and you are coming with me just to learn some vocabulary you need while shopping and what I'm going to buy. I got some bottles to get back my deposit. Okay, let's see, I've made a list with what I need. I need margarine, a tin of pineapples, a tin of tangerines, cream, around 500 grams of chicken, bread, tomatoes, a cucumber, a bell pepper, sweet corn and lettuce. We are making a salad and tomorrow I want to do some curry. So let's see if we can get everything. It's the Saturday between Good Friday and Easter Sunday, so I'm expecting the supermarket to be packed and that we will not be able to get everything, but we will see. Done, and to my surprise we actually got everything I needed, and the bag is pretty heavy, but that's no problem. I got a pickup to give me some energy, and I did the classic mistake of giving all my bottles to the deposit machine, getting my receipt and not actually using it at the cash register. Good, we got the shopping done. We have the bell peppers, we have the chicken meat. I got 800 grams instead of 500 because I think we need a bit more. Of course, my very good receipt for €2 that I did not use. Always makes me mad when I forget. We have tomatoes, margarine, tangerines, a bit of pineapple, lettuce, cream, and I think I'll just use milk for whatever's needed after this. And we got some sweet corn. Of course, we got the cucumber for the salad, and bread is also needed for your daily life. That's it for this video. I hope you had some fun going shopping with me. If you want to see more like simple videos in English with simple vocabulary, please leave a comment. See you next time. Bye. Vielen Dank, dass ihr bei Englife eingeschaltet habt. Auf meiner Webseite findet ihr noch einmal alle Vokabeln im Blog-Eintrag zusammengeschrieben. Außerdem würde ich mich sehr darüber freuen, wenn ihr einen Kommentar hinterlasst oder auf Facebook vorbeischaut. Für weitere Videos könnt ihr meinen Kanal auch abonnieren.